to TechVitech YouTube channel. नाम मत भूलना. Today I am presenting Redmi Pi review opinion. Review means my final verdict, my final opinion. So let's begin. The Redmi Pi offers a powerful processor and 18:9 screen at a low cost. The three variants have different amounts of RAM and storage. Battery life is great, but the cameras are a bit disappointing. This new phone covers all the basic and delivers a lot of in-demand features in a sleek, well-built package. Xiaomi has made a name of itself by upsetting the market time and again with the solid product at low prices. And we are eager to see if it managed to do so again. Here is our full opinion review of new Redmi Pi with everything you need to know. Let's find out. Xiaomi will undoubtedly sell massive number of Redmi Pi and you do get a lot of bang of your buck. As usual, the Chinese giant continues to offer specifications that will be very hard for competitors to match. The processor is powerful enough to last for several years, and you get the 18:9 screen that most people want in their next phones. It's likely that the middle variant with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage will be most popular. This is the one we use for our review, and we would spend the extra rupees 1000 over the base model because 2GB of RAM doesn't seem like much for even low-end Android phones these days. Unfortunately, we can't yet say for sure how different the experience will be with the either 2GB or 4GB of RAM. We were impressed with the Redmi Pi's battery life and the overall usage experience. MIUI has a lot of nice touches, but the outdated version of Android underpinning it was a letdown. The phone is slated to get MIUI 9.5 in April, but even that is based on Android Nougat. The cameras are also not great by any standard. You should consider going for the higher end phone if photography is important to you. Xiaomi has definitely raised the bar for budget smartphone once again. We are eager to see how the competition will respond. I want to ask everyone one question. Is Xiaomi Redmi Pi is the most value for money smartphone in India? Please give your opinion in comment section below. Good thing of Redmi Pi, excellent value for money, relatively powerful processor, good construction quality, great battery life. Bad thing of Redmi Pi, mediocre cameras, outdated version of Android. So our rating Redmi Pi out of 10 is 8, design wise 8, display wise 7, software wise 8, performance wise 8, battery life 8, camera 6 and value for money 8. So that's it for Redmi Pi review, my final opinion, my verdict. सो दोस्तों, अभी तक मेरे चैनल को आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, लाइक नहीं किया है, कमेंट नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ करिए कमेंट. किसका इंतज़ार है दोस्तों, करिए कमेंट, क्योंकि मैं इसी तरह टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर लेटेस्ट रिव्यू ओपिनियन लाते रहता हूँ और आपके माइंड को रिफ्रेश करते रहता हूँ. तो जाहिर सी बात है, मेरे चैनल को आपको सब्सक्राइब करना चाहिए, लाइक करना चाहिए और कमेंट करना चाहिए. सो मैं मिलता हूँ मेरी अगली वीडियो में. थैंक यू सो मच एंड गुड बाय.
Take it. If you won't give it to me,